This rally in the PPP stronghold of Sindh by Bilawal Bhutto Zardari was supposed to be a Thanksgiving one. He did thank the voters.
मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूं. शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया.
He invoked his dead mother, former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto, and was at pains to be the politician of the masses.
मैं ये इलेक्शन इसलिए नहीं लड़ रहा था कि मेरा कोई जिद था कि मैंने उस कुर्सी पे, इस्लामाबाद का कुर्सी पे बैठना है. अगर मैं ये इलेक्शन लड़ा तो आपके लिए लड़ा, मेरे भाइयों के लिए, मेरे बहनों के लिए.
Then came a revelation that Nawaz Sharif's party had offered him a power-sharing formula, according to which the PMLN candidate would be PM for 3 years and then Bilawal can be Premier for 2 years. Bilawal says he junked the offer.
मुझे तो कहा गया है कि पहले 3 साल हमें दे दे, आखिरी 2 साल आप वजीर आजम बने. नहीं, मैंने तो कहा है और मैं अब आपको बता रहा हूं, मैंने इस बात को मना किया है. मैं इस तरीके से वजीर आजम नहीं बनना चाह रहा हूं. अगर मैं वजीर आजम बनूंगा तो ठट्टों के अवाम, पाकिस्तान के अवाम मुझे मुंतखब करके बनाएंगे.
The PPP has stuck to its stand of not joining the government, a move Nawaz Sharif's party isn't too happy with. After Bilawal's revelation, the PMLN says the power-sharing formula was one of the options that was put forth, and that it won't be proper to give out details till a deal is finalized. Poll rigging has been a common refrain this election across parties. Imran Khan's party has raised it, so has the PPP. Rawalpindi Commissioner Liaquat Ali Chatha's dramatic allegations before the media that the polls were rigged are being probed. He has also alleged that the Chief Election Commissioner and a Supreme Court judge were involved.
70-80 हज़ार की लीड से जीत रहे थे, हमने उनको हरवाया है और उनके ऊपर जाली मोहरें लगा के सबको हरवाया. देखिए, मैं ये सारी इस गलतकारी की जिम्मेदारी अपने ऊपर ले रहा हूँ और साथ आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर है, जो चीफ जस्टिस है, वो भी इस काम में पूरे शरीक.
On Monday, Pakistan's Supreme Court took up a petition filed by a retired brigadier that the election to be cancelled. But surprisingly, the petitioner wasn't present in court and he had filed another application to withdraw his petition. Is it a joke? The Chief Justice asked. The court asked officials to bring the petitioner but was told that he was incommunicado. The next hearing is scheduled 2 days later. Bilawal says his party will raise vote rigging complaints at appropriate forums. He has also made it clear that his father, Asif Ali Zardari, will be the party's presidential candidate. That will have to wait. The first priority now is to form a government. The two big parties, that of Nawaz Sharif and Bilawal, have agreed to join hands. Hard bargaining is still on, and 10 days after the election results were announced, Pakistan waits for another coalition government.